In today's video, we are reviewing LongPlus 4K PoE Security Camera System. If you want sharp video, smart alerts, and full-time recording, this one is seriously impressive. Before we start, the link to the security camera system is in the description below at the best price in the market. Now let's break down what you actually get and why it matters. This LongPlus system comes with a 16-channel NVR and 8 wired PoE dome cameras, which means one single cable handles both power and video, making installation cleaner and more reliable than Wi-Fi cameras. The video quality is 4K UHD, so you get crisp details like faces, packages, license plates, and movement even from a distance. Another big win is the wide viewing angle, so each camera covers more area and reduces blind spots around your home or business. For nighttime, you get triple night vision modes, including color night vision with spotlights, so instead of a blurry black and white view, you can see important details more clearly, and it can reach up to around 100 feet depending on the scene. What makes this system feel smart is the AI motion detection that focuses on people and vehicles, so you get fewer useless alerts from bugs, shadows, or random movement. You can also set activity zones and privacy masks, which is perfect if you want to monitor your driveway but ignore the street, or block out a neighbor's area. For safety, the cameras support two-way audio, so you can speak through the camera, and if someone shows up where they shouldn't, the system can trigger an audio warning and a strobe light to scare them off fast. Storage is also a big deal here because it supports 24/7 recording with a built-in hard drive, and you can expand storage if you want more days saved, without paying monthly subscription fees. You can watch live view and playback using the app, and motion events are easy to find on the timeline, which saves a lot of time. Overall, this LongPlus PoE system is best for homeowners, small businesses, shops, garages, and anyone who wants strong security with stable wired performance and clear 4K video day and night. If you want a complete system that records nonstop and helps you react fast, this is a great pick. And remember, the link is in the description below for the best price.